In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select Dual Apps, hit Create, and click on any switcher next to one of your supported apps to clone it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to clone one of the recommended ones, you need to tap on the chosen one. Click on this switcher next to Dual Apps. And after your app will be successfully cloned, you can also use all of those options to adjust it. If you wish to delete your clone, click on the same No Blue switcher and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!